Welcome to Algospark's Coordinated Customer Voice Showcase. Reading, summarizing and aggregating insight from thousands of reviews is difficult. It is subjective and takes lots of time. Our solution brings together disparate customer feedback data sources and maps meaning to this. We use this to deliver insights and recommendations from the coordinated customer voice. Using our solution, clients are able to clearly understand the what, when and where of customer experience.
In our example, we focus on feedback from a telecom provider selling high-speed fibre connections. They are a fairly new operator that is quickly growing and seeing a large increase in customer feedback. Coordinated Customer Voice helps them identify where customer feedback is focused and what they should do. In this summary, we focus on Trustpilot reviews. Historically, the company has received high average star ratings and high sentiment. This has been particularly driven by high positive feedback on installation and service. However, the time to install and fix issues has been slower. Overall, the number of reviews is increasing, however, sentiment has started to decline over the last few months.
When diving deeper to the word level for a specific month, we can see that most words have a sentiment for June much lower than the average. Particularly significant changes include service and service-related elements such as team and speed. The biggest decline in the month was customer, as more users expressed their dissatisfaction with the service. In many cases, looking at outliers gives a good idea of the more unusual feedback. We use similarity metrics to identify which feedback is most different from all other feedback. This can sometimes uncover insights that need specific intervention. For example, the top outlier is for a block of flats with a messy install that could impact sales across numerous other potential clients. Most companies are very interested when competitors are mentioned. Feedback on competitors and how their service compares is shown here. This can be used to identify common patterns and possibly used by marketing teams.
We have shown you how coordinated customer voice can be used for Trustpilot reviews. It can be combined with all types of verbatim customer feedback. The more data sources are included, the more powerful and more specific the insights. Thank you for watching the Algospark Coordinated Customer Voice Showcase. Please do get in touch to discuss how we can use Coordinated Customer Voice and Power BI to really understand what your customers are telling you.